Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel theMonaZine. Do you remember when I painted a simple Berlin tote bag a few weeks ago? Well, I looked at this blank canvas bag and thought, what if I made it 100 times more complicated? Today we are painting a panoramic detailed Berlin sunset. Grab your coffee because this one took a lot of patience. I wanted to capture the ultimate Berlin view. I started with the sky because I wanted drama. Don't worry, I'm talking about deep blues melting into bright yellows, airy orange and pink cloud. What a great combination, isn't it? Blending acrylics on a rough canvas fabric is basically an extreme sport. But building up those vibrant clouds totally set the mood. What do you say? Now, here is where things got intense. The buildings. Let me be real with you. Around window number 400, I definitely questioning all of my life choices. Painting tiny architectural details with a brush on bumpy fabric is so tricky. But this is the trust the process stage. I use dark, sketchy outline to give it the cool elastic pop art vibe. It almost looks like a graphic novel page coming to life. Now the most important part, the detailing. To finish it off, I added this bold retro style typography right in the center, overlapping the streets. It gave it that perfect vintage travel poster aesthetic. And of course, I had to add my signature at the bottom so everyone know it is an original one. And ta-da! The ultimate Berlin tote bag is finished. Honestly, the color looked even better in the direct sunlight. I'm so proud of how this turned out. If you enjoy watching me painting hundreds of tiny windows and details, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comment if I do another highly detailed city bag like this. Which city in the world should I paint next? Subscribe for more art and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.